Hello, it's William Bullard discussing programmatic advertising, also known by programmatic media buying and other terms. One short definition is the automated buying and selling of available online ad space based on bids from advertisers using real-time bidding. The further description is even more fascinating: how integrated data networks can offer advertisers virtually unlimited choice among media options, how the software can deliver true omni-channel coverage to match users' connected deployment of cell phones, laptops, tablets, and even television, how artificial intelligence helps optimize these choices nearly instantly, and how the real-time bidding process facilitates micro-targeting ads to distinct personas. In sum, programmatic advertising integrates several of today's most powerful modern marketing forces into a lightning-fast system to achieve marketing nirvana, the ability to deliver a highly personalized ad that fits the behavior and demographics of that individual at a time he or she is actively seeking that product or service. Now let's move from this big picture to a closer view of how an ad exchange connects advertisers and publishers. In the chart on your screen, you can see the brand box on the right side with a green circle. This represents the advertiser. Also in a green box is the demand-side platform where advertisers submit their requests. On the left side of the figure, the publisher content server is also circled in green, as is the supply-side platform, where publishers indicate their available ad space. Advertisers that want to buy ad space on the internet get connected with publishers that own the websites with digital space to sell. This meeting of demand and supply on the ad exchange leads to near-instant placement of ads onto a site carefully selected by the algorithms and driven by the audience criteria chosen by the advertiser. Demographics such as gender, household income, education level, age group, and many others, or behavioral data, including web pages visited, types of products viewed and purchased online, engagement on the site, etc. And advertisers have still other options to consider, such as retargeting. You know that, the ads that follow you around the web. Targeting based on geography and location, which is especially important for day and boarding schools. The ability to integrate data from laptops and mobile phones, and contextual ads that echo the Google Ads program by leveraging each user's website activity and exposure to various keywords and content to show related subject matter. Programmatic advertising isn't a fantasy or a technology in its infancy. It is here, now, and is perhaps the fastest growing marketing and advertising option available. And it's already being used in higher education and occasionally making its way into independent schools. So while a few of the future services and technologies I'm discussing are still some years from practical deployment by your institution, programmatic advertising is readily available. My goal is always to help education marketers understand the full picture. So before we close, let me offer a few caveats as well. With all these exciting opportunities relating to programmatic advertising, it is not a panacea or magic wand. It still requires you doing the hardest strategic work of all, understanding your institution's identity and strengths and weaknesses, knowing the needs of your prospective families and what demographic and behavioral criteria can capture them, and producing powerful and visually compelling creative that will attract them. At this early stage, programmatic advertising is also a significant investment, though many of the agencies wish to crack the education market and are open to small tests to start. I hope this session has captured the promise and excitement of programmatic campaigns and expanded your thinking. My next session is on virtual and augmented reality.